Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 2506 Tillings Road in Pickering. So we're in the amazing community of Duffin Heights, and we have a freehold townhouse. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Why don't you guys go in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this property. As you can tell, it is an amazing property inside and out, but guess what? There's a lot of exciting things happening around the area as well. We've got a public school that's already planned. No, not planned, it's actually approved to be built already, okay? We've got a fire station that's gonna be built not too far away from here that's gonna have an awesome community room as well. And we've got a 150,000 square foot plaza that's 10 minutes walking distance from this property. All right guys, so my contact information is gonna be on the screen, and I would love to show you this property. And now we've reached the part where I need your help. So I need you to like this, I need you to share it, and I need you to subscribe to our channel so you can see all the cool things that we're doing. Until next time, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.